What up, M&R family?
It's your girl, Mag.
It's Rosh. But look, man, we back with another reaction video. Let them know what we got today.
Today, we're reacting to two of NBA Youngboy songs. The first one we got is Pop Out, and the second one's going to be Rain.
But look, man, we drop multiple new videos back to back every single day. So if there are any other videos that y'all want to see us react to on the channel, drop them things down in the comments.
But look, man, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel.
But look, man, let's get to this video.
Let's get to it.
Alright, before we begin, baby, you know the rules. No phones. Don't talk about shit we do in the bedroom. Cause man, you know I got a family. Matter of fact, just eat this dick. Call me Jeffrey Dahmer. Youngboy, you ready?
Jay-Z, we here, bro. Yeah. Fall. Hold on a second. Lost friends. From up cage to the stage, and my name is screaming loud. From no sleep to no eat, say I gotta make it out. You love me, then don't leave, cause I need my family now. Got a text and it ain't low. Bitch, I grew up jacking on side that stove. I been winning tatted out my bros. I been lost my patience for a hoe. Pop out. All these bitches bad with me, and they all tens. And they had their way if they want, they fuck you together. And they know how I do it, I ain't tell them to be careful, they know. Switch on back, bro, got my nigga, we don't fuck with cops. He got drop, pick up your nigga, what we tell her out. We with our blocks, they know we let our shots act like they not, but I know that they hurt. Yeah, bitch, no, I ain't perfect, yeah. Bitch, if it is ever spend my everyday time working. I got caught, yes.
Hey, he going crazy.
Yeah, I like the flow and the beat on this.
Yeah, he's going extra smooth on this.
Yeah.
Like, he's going like extra smooth on this.
I like it.
This tight right here.
We with our blocks, they know we let our shots act like they not, but I know that they hurt. Yeah, bitch, no, I ain't perfect, yeah. Bitch, if it is ever spend my everyday time working. I got caught, yes, yeah, my Steve Earth. She know I ain't perfect, she just love the way I work it, and I love her ass. Yeah, can't dirty, her height.
She just, what he say? She just love the, like that I'm working, so I just love her ass.
Hey, I like their background. Is that that's their house?
That's their house. That's like a
like
mirror.
a glass, but it's like a fireplace too. Like,
yeah, it's like a mirror over their fireplace.
That's dope. That's dope.
Yeah, that's tight.
That's different. Like I've
he
never
got a
seen.
Nice house.
You wouldn't think somebody would put mirrors over a fireplace, you know, like because of the heat. But like,
yeah,
that's different. I've never seen that before. That's tight.
That's tight. His house is nice from just looking through
Look
that little mirror. Yeah, that's tight. Hey, probably not even a mirror. It's probably seeing through. Nah, that's a mirror. That's a mirror.
Because you can see the opposite side of the mirror.
Yeah, this is tight right here.
Yeah.
She just love the way I work it, and I love her ass. Yeah, can't dirty. Her how he tried to swerve it, but I'm more swifter than that daddy. He crashed. I am not worried, not nervous. These are no stuff crazy. I step with them and they both pose. From up cage to the stage, and my name is screaming loud. From no sleep to no eat, say I gotta make it out. You love me, then don't leave, cause I need my family now. Got a text and it ain't low. Bitch, I grew up jacking on side that stove. I been winning tatted out my bros. I been lost my patience for a hoe.
Alright, listen up. I need everybody to take their cell phones out and put your light on. Light this bitch up. I want to welcome you out to history in the making. Oh yeah. Y'all niggas didn't see this coming. Robbie, DJ Drama. Come on, man.
This instrumental was tight.
Yeah, that was tight.
This was tight.
Like that.
I like that.
You know I got a family.
I liked it.
Rob dummy.
Okay, so now you guys, we got NBA Youngboy Rain.
This is the second song.
Second one.
Let's get to it.
Can you tell me if it's stormy? No one be wrong by asking you to go. Tell me if it's raining. I don't wanna look outside my window. Please don't please me. Leave.
like how he
I
came
like how
on
he
with
came
this.
on too.
It's like you can
like a singing, rapping, like he
but
came
you hear
on.
some pain.
Like,
it seemed
yes,
like
yes,
like
you could feel it.
You can
he
feel
was
it.
feeling this when he was
You
singing
can
it.
feel
you
it.
could feel it.
Hey, shout out Youngboy,
Boy.
man. This a good one right here. I like how it's going.
Me too.
Please don't please me. Leave. Please just leave me. Leave me to be by myself. I could be sad all along. Guess I'm just another broken song. I mean, record professor of the night. By the time I increase, this is special. You bought a new body, but ain't exciting me. Prayers go to the sky from out my heart, off top my knees. What you sow indeed you reap. Take a picture with no cheese. In 2 ways, I no money in my hand, no smile on top of me. I just wanna get the fuck from out the streets. I ain't weak but beat. If my life was on the line, would it be the same? I'm the same way that I came, never change. Watching my life go down the drain. Do you see a piece of your life inside this pain? Sure, one more time, explain. This is 200,000 stain. Can you tell me if it's stormy?
Okay.
He going in.
He going in.
He said, "Well, do you see some pain in this life?" Or what? Let me just go back.
Something.
Let me
I
just
heard
go
it too,
back
like-
because he's going in right now.
I came, never change. Watching my life go down the drain. Do you see a piece of your life inside this pain? Sure, one more time, explain. This is 200,000 stain. Can you tell me if it's stormy? No one be wrong by asking you to go. Tell me if it's raining. I don't wanna look outside my window. Stay down, that's what I'm this for. And this ain't right, something else ain't adding up. I told them all about my pain, been maneuvering through the game. But after all, they still down us and drag us. My auntie got a tune, my uncle he just cool. My brother just crossed the way, just sticking to his music. Tell my daddy that I'm fine, see survival in my eyes. Man, Montana got it live. Tell him go update the file, we on top. Tell me if it's stormy. Don't wanna be wrong by asking you to call. Tell me if it's raining. I don't wanna look outside my window.
I like that.
How it's
I'd
like
say I like
soft
the chorus,
with pain
I'm
and
telling you.
hey, this is tight.
I like this.
This is tight, right?
Please don't please me. Leave. Please just leave me.
How you gonna leave me on a rainy day? You're not even gonna let the sun come out first? You got it.
How you gonna leave me on a rainy day?
Right.
You
right.
ain't gonna let the sun come out first.
You're not even gonna let the sun come out first?
Right.
You got it.
You got it. You got it.
You got it.
Hey, this is tight.
Hey, this was tight. I liked this song. He went crazy on this one.
He went crazy on both of them.
Yeah, he did, but I liked it this one.
Yeah,
more.
I liked it this one. But
Yeah.
but the pop out was tight.
Yeah,
But this is a good song.
it's a good song. I liked it. This.
Hey, but look, man, if there are any other videos that y'all want to see us react to on the channel, man, just drop them things down in the comments. But look, man, if y'all new to our channel, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. But look, man, we catch y'all on the next video.